This is the elevator building 1 on the SCF Bradenton campus in Bradenton, Florida. This is the Student Services Center. Series 1, as you see here. But the brakes aren't really in good condition, as you see. They could be greased, and there's a lot of creaking on these, but they do the job, I will say that. Since there's 2 elevators here, we're actually going to go back down to 1, and then we're going to switch cars. Or actually, we're going to go up to 2, then switch cars. We're going to take 1.5 rides on each of these. Door closed button works, I like that. Here's your inspection certificate. Building 1, as you see there. These were installed in 1997. This is elevator 1. Hello. Oh, both of them are here. Anyway, we're gonna take this one. We're gonna start with this cab view. Not very interesting. It's like a black color. Again, same pictures as normal. This one doesn't creak as much though. Actually, we're going to watch both the indicator and the arrow. While we're up here, there's the interlock. Not sure if you can read that or not. But anyway, we're going to go down to 1. Here's the inspection certificate. There's your ADA compliant phone, just like the other elevator. And here we are